Hey guys, it's Mia here from Harry's team. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva templates to create posts. This just helps the whole content creation process feel a lot less overwhelming, more time efficient, and super easy. Creating content does not need to take hours. I want to show you how easy it is by using Canva templates. I use these templates pretty much every day to create content without overthinking the design. I use it for Instagram stories, posts going out on social media, like testimonials, infographics, basically anything visual. So instead of starting from scratch, I just pick a template, swap out the text, I'll update the colors to match the brand, and that's it. There's no design background needed, no blank canvas stress, although I do tend to use blank canvases sometimes for something a little bit more on the simple side. The templates help so much. So I'm just going to give you an example. If I were to be making, say, for example, a testimonial, so I'll just type in testimonial. And then you've got obviously the pro version and all the ones without that, like these are the free versions. So say we want to use something like this, right? So I'm just going to click on customize this design. So if we've had any new reviews or anything on our Google page or anywhere really, I'll just go say I'll find one, then I will copy it and then head back into Canva and I'll show you the next. All right, so I've just gone ahead and I've changed this to our brand kit font. I've added in the Vero logo, which you'll find in your brand kit like I've shown in our other YouTube video. Then over here, I've just put in the text from the Google review, and then I've put in the business's name. You can also put in the person's name, whoever left the review. So I just change it according to what I know will fit best on our your Instagram or LinkedIn page. And to change the background, let me just show you. You can just click here. Your brand colors will be listed here, and then you can just click like whatever color. You can change the transparency over here. If you want there to be no transparency, full transparency, just a little bit. So you can really just play around and make it your own. And with every template, you can customize this with your brand kit colors so that all your posts are staying consistent. Just to show you another example of how I do this, I've gone ahead and typed in Instagram Reels in templates. So now I just want to find one that goes along with, what I want to post about today. So maybe I'll do something like this and customize it. So I'm just going to go ahead and say customize this template. So for this post, I've decided I want to do 5 reasons emails don't go to spam. So I'm just going to go ahead and type that out. And then I'm just going to change that to my brand kit font, which is this one over here. You can change the size, whatever. Then for the color, I'm thinking I want to change it to a gray from my brand kit, which I'll do then. Then you can adjust the transparency. So I'm going to do something more like that. And then you can just go ahead and change the wording according to whatever. So I'll go ahead and put in my 5 reasons that emails don't go to spam. And as you see here, I've only got 4 little blocks. So all you can do is you can just move these up a bit. Move this up as well. And then you can just go ahead and copy that and pop it in here at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and start editing all the text according to whatever your post is. I see there's something there that I'll just delete. So I really feel that if you're creating content often and want it to look clean without spending hours on design, Canva templates really make it easy. It is 100% my go-to.